Hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to change the language in Visual Studio Code. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Visual Studio Code tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, ensure Visual Studio Code is open on your computer. Visual Studio Code supports a variety of languages, making it a versatile tool for global users. Changing the display language can improve your coding experience if English isn't your first language or if you prefer coding in another language. Here's how you can change the display language in Visual Studio Code. Begin by opening the command palette. You can do this by going to the View menu and selecting Command Palette, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows and Linux, or Command+Shift+P on macOS. In the command palette, type Configure Display Language, and select the command when it appears. This action opens a list of available languages that Visual Studio Code supports. Browse through the list and select your preferred language. If the language pack is not already installed, Visual Studio Code will prompt you to install it. Click on the Install button if prompted. After the installation of the language pack, you may need to restart Visual Studio Code for the changes to take effect. Once Visual Studio Code restarts, the interface will display in your chosen language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Visual Studio Code. Remember, if this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Enjoy coding in your preferred language, and I'll see you in the next video.